Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today is the day number 3 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and I will show you how I decorate a Christmas house step by step. But first, if you're new here my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. First, I am going to start by outlining the design with medium consistency icing using a decorating tip number 1. Now I am going to use firm consistency icing and I will use a star decorating tip. This will give an effect of snow and I am going to put big edible pearls. And now that the icing is a little bit drier, I am going to paint the windows using this kind of paint. And this will give an effect of light inside the house. Now, using the icing that I used to outline the cookie, I am going to make some lines in the windows, and then I am going to use brown flooding consistency icing to fill up part of the house. Now I am going to give it a shake to take out all those air bubbles out. Now I am going to use red flooding consistency icing to fill up the door of the house. You can use a scribble to spread the icing, but if you don't have it, you can use a skewer stick. I will use a gold edible pearl as a knob for the house. Now I am going to let it dry and then I will continue. Using the same icing that I used to outline the cookie, I am going to make some little details. And as you can see, this cookie design is super easy and looks very pretty. Hey guys, this is it for today. I hope that you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!